Today is the history of your journey from rejection to victory, failure to achievement, hard work to luck, dreaming big to becoming Big B. Born as Inkilab Srivastava on October 11, 1942 in Allahabad to mother Tezi Bachchan, a social activist, and father Harivansh Rai Bachchan, a poet. Amitabh Bachchan married to Jaya Baduri in 1973 and they have two children, Abhishek, an actor, and Shweta, an author, journalist and former model. Bachchan made his film debut in 1969 as a voice narrator in Mrunal Sen's Bhuvan Shom. His first acting role was as one of the 7 protagonists in the film Saath Hindustani in 1969. He is the first artist to receive the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. In June 2000, he became the first living Asian to have been modelled in Wax London's Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. The Government of India awarded him with the Padma Shri in 1984, the Padma Bhushan in 2001 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2015, and also France's highest civilian honour, the Knight of the Legion of Honour. Let's know lesser known facts about Big B. Bachchan was initially named Inkilab, inspired by the phrase Inkilab Jindabad used during the Indian independence struggle. Amitabh's actual surname is Srivastava, however his father wrote with the pen name Bachchan and the family adopted this surname. Amitabh's screen name has been Vijay in more than 20 films. The iconic song Kaike Paan Banaraswala was never meant for Dawn. It was written for Dev Anand's film Bansari Babu. Early times when Big B did not have a house in Mumbai, he has spent many nights at the Marine Drive. Later Mohammed offered him a place to stay in his own home. Before entering into films, Amitabh applied for newsreader post in All India Radio but got rejected. For his first film Saath Hindustani, he received ₹1,000. Amitabh and Jaya are the only real-life couple who had worked together on screen in more than 30 films. In the poll that was conducted by BBC News, Amitabh Bachchan won the title of Actor of the Millennium by beating stars like Charlie Chaplin and Marlon Brando. His favorite brand for suits is Gabbana, and they are designing for last 30 years. The fabric of the suit comes from Italy, thread from France, and buttons are sourced from England. Amitabh has a collection of more than 1,000 pens. The German company Montblanc gives him a special pen every year on his birthday. In early days, one advertising company gave him a work of giving his voice in an advertisement for 1 to 2 minutes. For this, Amitabh got 50 rupees only. He is ambidextrous. He can write equally well with both hands. He was Lok Sabha MP from 1984 to 1989. Later quits politics, calling politics as cesspool. He had 12 consecutive flops before his first hit Zanjeer. Rest of his journey is history. In over 5 decades of his career, Amitabh Bachchan has become a name synonymous with perfection in acting. Wishing Big B a happiest birthday. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.